1967 Mercedes-Benz D5 SL. Price, $34,750. Location, Indiana. The 1967 Mercedes-Benz D5 SL is a timeless icon that perfectly blends classic elegance with German engineering excellence. Finished in a striking light blue exterior paired with a two-tone blue interior, this vintage roadster captures attention with a bold yet refined presence. Its clean lines and iconic pagoda roof design make it one of the most recognizable classic cars ever produced. The beauty of this car lies not only in its appearance but also in its versatility. Equipped with both a removable body-colored hardtop and a folding soft top, it offers two driving experiences in one package. Whether you prefer a relaxed open-air cruise or a more enclosed Grand Touring feel, this D5 SL adapts effortlessly to your style. The performance of this classic has been enhanced with an upgraded 2.8-liter M130e inline-six engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This setup delivers a more engaging and responsive driving experience while maintaining the soul of a vintage sports car. With Bosch mechanical fuel injection and 4-wheel power-assisted disc brakes, the car provides a balance of classic feel and reliable performance. The exterior details further elevate its appeal, featuring chrome accents, Bosch headlights, and 14-inch Renault Bunt-style alloy wheels wrapped in Advanta tires. Every element contributes to its authentic vintage charm, making it a true standout on the road or at any classic car event. The inclusion of a full-size spare tire and jack also reflects the practicality of cars from this golden era. The interior offers a clean and functional layout, with low-back bucket seats, classic VDO instrumentation, and a 2-spoke steering wheel with a horn ring. Wood trim accents add a touch of warmth, while features like an analog clock, AM, FM radio, and manual crank windows preserve its originality. It's a cabin that feels both simple and nostalgic, connecting the driver directly to the driving experience. The D5 SL was produced for a short period between 1966 and 1968, making it one of the rarer models in the W113 series. This particular example, while considered a project car, presents an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts and collectors to restore a piece of automotive history. With the right vision, it has the potential to return to its former glory. The overall value of this classic lies not just in its price, but in its story, rarity, and timeless design. For those who appreciate vintage cars, this 1967 Mercedes-Benz D5 SL represents more than just a vehicle. It's a chance to own and revive a true legend of the automotive world.